Bagels. I love bagels. Fresh bagels, homemade bagels, good bagels usually aren't cut. So we got the ISOKO Bagel Cutter to cut our bagels. This is really kind of cool. It comes apart real easy. You can see the blades are serrated. It comes with a brush so you don't stick your fingers down there and chop them off, as well as the bagels. It's made of plastic, of course, and even you can unscrew this and take it apart if you want to. It comes with the a base, silicone base, that helps keep it from moving around, but also conveniently catches your crumbs. So you don't have to clean up, you just dump that out when you're done. So operating this is pretty easy. You just put the bagel in, push it down, pull it out. If it's not cut all the way through, which I didn't expect it would be, put it back in, push it straight down. And I have perfectly cut and even bagel. This is maybe better than the ones you get at the store, because you get a thin side and a fat side. You get both the same size. I'll try this with the ISOKO bagel. Same thing, drop it in, press it down. If it doesn't go all the way through, which it didn't, put it back in, press it down. And once again, you have a perfectly cut bagel. A little bit of smashing going on there, that's no big deal. But again, they're even and they're cleanly cut. So as far as cleanup goes, like I said, this will catch the majority of your crumbs. You rinse this out, or you can put it in the dishwasher. I'd put it on the top shelf if I were you. And all the pieces can. Like I said, there's a brush to help clean the box. There's a little introduction to the family, but what there's not is any instructions. So we had to learn the hard way by doing it. Hopefully, you'll find this video helpful and you'll know how to operate your bagel cutter. As always, thank you for watching.